Welcome back to the Knowledge Economy Success Blueprint, this series of events where we explore the e-learning or self-education industry. And today I will walk you through the latest information products that I created since the last workshop, number 13, which was broadcast in June 2025. I'm your host. I am the twin brother of Tassos Pertet-Georgis. My name is Tassos version 2. And I'm taking over web market support. I'm taking over the 7 Ideals methodology. I acquired everything, and from now on you'll have to do with me. Is this a problem? I don't think so. So let's get started. So let's refresh our memory. In the last workshop I explained how I packaged and priced the Coin Show Business Experience Level 1. It's a standalone product for the numismatic industry. This is the page, Mastering the Coin Show Business. And the first level, it's a book, which sells for $49 through the Web Market Support Marketplace. I explained everything in this last workshop. This workshop is exclusive for Web Market Support subscribers, and you can get free access if you become a member. So the first information product that I created since the last Knowledge Economy workshop was this blog post, Jeff Walker Lunch Masterclass 2025 Review. It's a blog post. It's not a standalone information product, but it's a type of information product. Sometimes we create blog posts to support other products, and this blog post is also a bridge to other pages and content of Web Market Support, and it's a bridge to my services as well. So let me explain. This is the review page. I created this review to help promote a series of events that Jeff Walker was organizing during this period. Jeff and I are partners, and for a few years now, and he's an expert in product launches. He's the creator of the Product Launch Formula, a very well-known training program used by thousands of businesses all around the world. And let me show you the review. I share information regarding Jeff's events, and I also give away bonuses, daily Q&A sessions for those who have questions regarding the events of Jeff and regarding product launches. And I was also giving away a private VIP experience. And I linked to Launching Products Like a Pro. This is a comprehensive guide regarding product launches, which I created back in October of 2022. In this guide I explain how product launches work. These days I share frameworks from the 7 Ideals methodology, and there is also a web class replay, the next level launch model. It's a web class where I explain this framework of the 7 Ideals methodology, and it's also a bridge to product launch strategy one-on-one clinic. This is a free service for subscribers, part of the membership. So this is a bridge to my services as well. So as you can see, the simple blog post is not just so simple as it seems, because it's a bridge. And when after the events, Jeff announced that he's opening the doors to the Product Launch Formula. This training program is available only for a certain period of time throughout the year, only for a few days, and then it's closing down, and then reopens the next year, or maybe after 2 years. And I announced that he opened the doors to the Product Launch Formula, and I linked to the Product Launch Formula review. That's a review that I created back in 2015. And if someone reads this review and then gets on to buy Jeff Walker's Product Launch Formula, I earn commissions. So if they click this link, they will be redirected to Jeff Walker's pages, landing pages, and if they buy, I earn commissions. That's how a simple blog post helps other products and other pages of web market support. Let's move on to the next information product. Another information product that I created, this one, βιομηχανία τροφίμων και ποτών, means the food and beverage industry. I give a thorough analysis, I provide a thorough analysis of this industry. I investigate every aspect with research that goes back many years ago, and it's also the main goal here is to expose the truth about this industry, because this industry has a huge influence in our lives, and it's also a bridge to the Hellenic version of Web Market Support. This is the Hellenic homepage. The goal is to attract people into my world and into the methodology as well. And this blog post sets the base for the creation of other information products that I have plans to release very shortly. The next information product, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, a list of offers from the Web Market Support Network from external partners. I do not participate with Web Market Support offers, only from external partners. It's a bridge to various offers from the network. The next information product, the webinar I hosted a few months ago, 150% ROI secured, all Web Market Support bonuses explained. This is an information product, a webinar to complement the content of Black Friday and Cyber Monday offers with an exclusive Web Market Support bonus. Next, we have the webinar, the long-awaited webinar, the campaign that was not supposed to work. As you can see, it stays in a private status. There is a delay. I'll be organizing this webinar very shortly. It's going to be a part in a series of webinars. I will reveal more information on the blog. The next product, PayKickstart 2026 Workshops Review and VIP Experience. PayKickstart is a multi-platform for business, a partner of Web Market Support. The goal is to help people understand what PayKickstart is, what it can do for their businesses, and attract traffic, send traffic to PayKickstart, and make sales as well. Next, we have part 2, 3, and 4, and 5 of the food industry, food and beverage industry. Next, we have Clickly, a webinar, a brand new AI tool generating video thumbnails. The same philosophy with PayKickstart and Jeff Walker, the Lunch Masterclass review, which I explained earlier. The same philosophy here. Digital Academy Fortune, All the Truth, another review. It's a business in the box product, which I review here. The goal is the same as Clickly, as PayKickstart, as Jeff Walker, the same philosophy. Next, the webinar, February 6, 2026, Brand Evolution Playbook. It was a one-time off event, no recordings, exclusive event for people who registered. The goal was to attract people into my world, into the 7 Ideals methodology. Next, Gina Gabellin Events 2026 Review and VIP Experience, the same philosophy as PayKickstart, Jeff Walker, and the other products, the other reviews that I explained earlier. Next, we have Learn Worlds, Evolution Forex, the future of digital learning. Learn Worlds is a platform in the e-learning space, in the knowledge economy. It's targeting mostly business owners who sell courses and training programs. It's for B2B and B2C businesses as well. The philosophy is the same. Learn Worlds is a Web Market Support partner, an external partner. The goal is to send information regarding these events, and this is an ongoing event, still running, and of course, acquire traffic, get traffic, send traffic back to Learn Worlds, and hopefully make sales as well. Another blog post, Empires Decline in the 7 Trumpets. I discuss how empires rise and fall. The goal is to get traffic, of course, to get rankings. Another goal is to enhance Web Market Support branding, and of course lead people to the 7 ideals methodology at the end, here at the end of the article. In this section, the adaptive enterprise model. This is where I mention the 7 ideals methodology. It's another blog post as a bridge to web market support services. And the last information product that I created, the 131 strategy, a startup playbook. I share a story from 1826, March 25, 1826, 26, a historic event in my country, a battle in the lagoon of Mesologi, and I compare this situation, this fight, this historic event with businesses. I give parallels. The goal is to, of course, traffic again, about branding, discussing entrepreneurship, and of course leading people again to my services, to the 7 ideals methodology. So this is where I say, imagine that there was a methodology for business owners. This is where I invite them to get a taste of my services. So we finished with blog posts. Let's go through some of the pages as well. Have you noticed that 6000p storm? I shared this page on a social media post. It's coming soon. It's an information product that I am building behind the scenes. Innovation was silenced, now it speaks. What this is all about, I can reveal more information right now. Stay tuned on the blog and on the news page as well. Have you noticed the Cinematic Marketing Lab? That's another huge project. We'll be exploring how businesses can utilize cinematic video storytelling and trailer style videos to communicate powerful messages. It's all about storytelling and marketing. I'll be sharing various frameworks from the 7 ideals methodology and other frameworks as well. I'll be analyzing marketing trailers, and I'll be also broadcasting some live documentaries. I'll be giving you access to the making of promotional videos for my projects of web market support. And then I'll be also sharing templates, case studies. I'll be organizing webinars and workshops. There is so much going on. Something exciting is starting to happen. Stay tuned for the Cinematic Marketing Lab. It's a huge project. I'm very, very excited. I believe these are enough. There are more information products that I have created and I am creating right now, but I can reveal more information. Stay tuned also for the next theoretical segment inside the knowledge economy theory, the blog post. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next workshop, number 15.